very scarred radial keratotomy eyes. Look at this. She not only had RK, but multiple times, 3 times enhanced RK. And each of these cuts have been double, triple cut, and one of them actually has perforated inside the eye. Despite that, we are proceeding with laser plastic based on the corneoplastic testings that I've done to fool the brain to see through these very irregular corneas. Very important, doctor. We've also looked for stability. And after doing the moist therapy yesterday, you saw what she feels, having had years and years of all kinds of dry eye treatments in her state before coming over. And now we are ready to proceed to laser plastic.
Great.
Excited?
Yes, very. Thank you.
Finish doing laser plastic on your second eye with the very irregular radial keratotomy, cornea, and scars. Can you tell any difference?
It's clear vision.
Yes?
Yes.
Any pain?
None.
For doctors watching, you see a perfect circle of sight right there, and underneath that you see the Cortical image of her cataract surgery that she had back home in Tennessee. We've completed both your eyes right now. What do you like to say about your case?
It's fast and easy.
For you?
Yes.
And you've been in the medical profession at a renowned university, right?
Vanderbilt in Nashville.
I see. Here's Miss Tennessee. Hello. Can you see her amazing?
I can see.
Yes?
Yes.
Sorry?
Thank you.
No crime. Real pleasure. All of you. Doctors, you are watching people from all over the world. All of them are told nothing can be done.
I can see so well.
There's no crying in baseball, and there's no crying at Dr. Kalani's.
These are tears, they're priceless tears, as I say. Sorry. Pleasure. And here's one more thing. Let me see if this also has worked for you. Even though it's my handwriting, which people can't read. Anything there.
Oh wow, it's so, wow, that is clear. I can even see with my left eye, I can read 4.3853.
How many years you've not read?
Oh, probably 30, easily. I'm always squinting, trying to find an angle that I can
Lenses.
see through around. I can see this perfectly. Perfectly. It's
So
a-
doctors, my point is keep the fight up, please. Don't say no to them. She's had cataract surgery, which actually should be the way to correct these RK patients at this time and age, but it's okay. She's had that with, I'm thinking, sure, good doctors out back home in Tennessee, but you can always fix them optically with laser plastic in minutes. Literally took 2 minutes per eye was actually the surgery time. And the pain,
No pain.
discomfort.
Wow.
None.
So doctors, please don't say no to them. These are the world's most complex cases, very educated, very knowledgeable people. They don't come from across the street. They travel after a lot of research, skepticism maybe, yes?
Worries.
Worries. And yet doctors perform for them. You were there right now, a minute ago.
That's a good analogy.
So this morning, Lori and I were just talking, and we had a little discussion. We were thinking, how do we describe Dr. Kalani? And we thought about all these precision, professional, miraculous, but really it's panache, because you have the flair, the fearless approach to your ambition, the seeking of potential for every patient. It's panache. Yeah.
And we looked up what the word meant about the helmet and
The flair of
the
the flair of bravery that a warrior would take into battle
it's panache.
to win. Panache.
You guys keep searching for words. Lori, you all are my blessings, all
Thank
of you.
you. Thank you very
And
much.
coming from you, Mr. Marketing Guru. It's amazing.
It
I
is.
appreciate that. Now back to the hotel, boring, rest, eyes closed.
Yes.
Following the
Yeah.
rules.
Please.
Yes, sir.
Eyes closed.
Come please, I'll walk you guys out. Come.
Thank you.